Hello, my beautiful fart faces. Today I have a post review of the High Priestess from Uniquely Yours Down Under, which is an Australian company. Before we get into that post review though, if you're new here and you like diamond painting, go ahead and simply caress the subscribe button. Just tap it lightly. I post new videos on a almost daily basis. I'd love to have you here as part of my diamond painting community, my hive, as I like to call you. Anyways, I'm going to pop the information for the High Priestess right here on the screen, and while you're looking at that, I'm going to unroll this canvas. This is the High Priestess. I think it turned out really nicely. It might be missing a couple drills here and there because first off, like right off the bat, just to be honest, I had it popping drills. So I'll get to that in a minute, but I want to give you the deets on the canvas before we get into the heavy stuff. So on the right-hand side, we have the schematic. On the bottom left, we have the schematic. This painting measures 60 by 80 centimeters. There's the product code and there's the measurements. And at the top of the canvas, it also says Uniquely Yours Down Under. You probably can't see that, but it's there. So this painting was okay to work on. Like, definitely, I don't have anything like this in my stash, and I've never really done a diamond painting similar to this. She looks really great. This is one of those paintings that looks really great from far away. So like on camera, it looks really nice, but if you get too close up, it's kind of like a gong show. So it's like, you know, on Clueless, how Cher Horowitz was like, oh, she's a total Monet. And then Brittany Murphy's character was like, what's a Monet? And it's like, she looks good from far away, but when you get up close, it's a mess. Whatever. I forget the exact quote, but that's how I feel like this diamond painting is. I really like it though. I think it turned out great. This would look nice displayed on a wall or something, but unfortunately this is going back in the box because I don't really display any of my diamond paintings. So my boyfriend was like, what are you going to do with it now? I'm like, put it back in the box after I do a post review. So he kind of just looked at me like, okay, you're weird. The whole process, for me, the whole process is I like diamond painting. I like seeing the finished product, and then I just move on to the next diamond painting. So we have a little owl, a raven, and a wolf. So I like the little animals in here. And at the very bottom here, which doesn't fit in the screen, we have a little altar of some sort, and maybe a bottle and a flower, and there's like some rocks and also some flowers. If you look down here, you can actually tell on camera. Hopefully it will show up in the final video. But if you look down here, oh, there's a popping drill here. Let me just fix this with my finger, with my phalange. I think I fixed it. If you look down here, you can see there's ABs. So there's ABs here, little bits sprinkled throughout. There's also ABs here, some in the plants over there. So yeah, there's a really, like, I like where the ABs are. I wish that there were more ABs though. Like, I wish there were more in the grass at the bottom and maybe an AB in the little gem thing that she's wearing for her necklace. But other than that, like, I really liked how this turned out. I'll do a tour of the canvas and then we'll talk about the pros and the cons of this canvas. So I'll be right back. Hopefully that was a good enough glimpse of the entire canvas. I tried my best. My hands are shaky. But so to get back to the beginning, I did have popping drills, and I think it's because, and it's weird because this is a round. I've never had round popping drills. They basically had little tabs. Some of them had tabs around them, like this is a drill, and there would be like extra bits of like plastic, whatever they are, around the drill itself. So I tried to avoid using those as much as I could. I did have enough left over for the whole entire canvas, and there was some left over at the end, but I almost ran out of one of the colors. I had like 5 drills left after I finished. So that wasn't too good. And also some of the drills were different sizes. Like some were big some were big or normal size rounds, some were smaller, some were bigger. And again, they had the tabs. So really, like, it's not something that I would say don't buy from them because their drills are crappy or anything like that. I think their drills just need a little bit of better quality. Well, I did like doing this diamond painting because I have nothing, I seriously have nothing like this in my stash. Nothing. It was fun to do, but by the end of it, I think I should have ordered a smaller size, but then again, would it have come out as nice as it did if I ordered a smaller size? I don't know. But by the end of it, I was just like rushing through it and I was like, I just want to get this done. Like I'm ready to move on to my next project. So that's a learning for me. I mean, I've done other diamond paintings this size, but I think because there's like a lack of bright colors, which isn't anyone's fault. I should have like thought about this when I was buying the canvas. I think I just got sick of the lack of colors, but look at the detail in the tree, like the branches and the leaves, and then there's the moon over here. And just like the detail in this picture is just gorgeous. Like I really like the scrunching of her dress. I think it turned out really nice. And I think like from far away, again, this canvas is beautiful. Just up close, like if you get too close to it, it's kind of like a pixelated mishmash, but like it's nothing terrible. Again, like there's nothing that happened with this canvas where I'd be like, don't buy it. I would, like, if you're into this type of artwork, I would definitely recommend buying it because I love the detail and everything and how it all turned out. So I'll show you again. See the detail in the trees and in her face. I just think it turned out very nice. And in the raven and the owl, here's the wolf. So the wolf from far away is really cute, but when you get up close, you really get to see the pixels. Again, I don't know, like would I recommend Uniquely Yours Down Under? Would I recommend this canvas? I definitely would. There's nothing that made me want to like not want to order from them again. Will I order from Uniquely Yours Down Under? I would. I just wish that they had more different artwork. Some of the artwork just isn't for me. Like I found this picture and I was like, oh, I really like this one. But this was like the only one that I considered ordering. Like there wasn't like 3 or 4 for me to choose from that I was trying to decide on. It was just like, okay, I'm going to order this one because I really want to try Uniquely Yours Down Under because a lot of other creators are unboxing them. A lot of people are buying the Josephine Wall canvases from them and they look great, but I've never seen any non-Josephine Wall videos. So all in all, I would say I like this canvas. I like Uniquely Yours Down Under. I think that their drill quality does need to improve a little bit, and I wish that they had more ABs, but that's basically all I have to say about this canvas. Like, I have nothing like super bad about it or anything like that, and literally I'm just going to roll it up and put it back in the box. But yeah, what do you guys think? Have you done a Uniquely Yours Down Under before? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like how this image turned out? What are your thoughts on it? Let me know. And if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!